All right, so the first example of a correlation problem in your outline, the second page of the outline, has to do with speed limits and accidents. And so they give us a list of speed limits and a list of accidents that go with that speed limit. How many accidents there were at 55 miles an hour, how many there were at 50, how many there were at 45. So we've got two quantitative pieces of data here, and we're going to compare them to see if there's a correlation. So I'm going to go to Staplet. So go ahead and pause if you need to get to Staplet, because we're going to use that. And then I'm going to go to testing a correlation. And the explanatory would be the speed limit, because changing the speed limit is what's going to change the number of accidents. And this one is accidents. Let's go ahead and put number of accidents. And now you may want to pause to go ahead and type this data in. It really doesn't take that long to type it in though, so let's just go ahead and do it. 45, 40, 30, 20, 28, 25, 21, 17, 11, and 6. And let's begin our analysis. And you see here, this makes almost a perfect line, which this is going to have, if you remember from reading previously from the last set of slides, this is a very strong positive correlation. It's going up, it's positive, it's very strong, it almost makes it a perfect line. So I'm expecting very strong positive correlation. And let's calculate, and that's what I get. It's positive, and it's almost 1. 1 is a perfect correlation. It's the highest correlation you can get. So we got 0.996. And yeah, and here's what they get here. And it's a strong positive linear relationship, 0.996. I'll show how to do it in the calculator in another video. So we did it in Staplet, so we got the same answer, 0.996 for R, like they got in there. So yeah, that is a strong, because it's almost a perfect line going straight up, which means as one goes up, the other one goes up almost the exact, in a linear amount, an exact linear amount. It's positive because it's going up, and it's linear because it almost makes a straight line. So there's a strong positive linear relationship between speed limit and the average number of accidents per week. And so that will be the first example of the part 2 of our outline.